Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to replace an engine air filter. This is my 2015 Freightliner Coronado with a DD16 in it. It's going to be the same for DD16 and 15. First off, locate you an air filter. These are about $380. They used to be about $450 to $500. So speaking of all the price going up and inflation, this one's actually not too bad. Alright, so here's your air box. There's going to be 2 bolts on this side and then 2 bolts on this side, and this will all come off. So those bolts are 5/16. Also, these bolts are designed not to come out. So basically, if you unscrew them all the way, they're not going to come out. So pull this guy off, and then here's access to your old air filter. Just going to pull this guy out like so, and then put your new one in. Alright, so we got the new one in, and the old one is out, going in the trash. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. And then we just got to bolt this all back up the way we took it out.